Hey everybody, welcome to today's math lesson. Today we will be learning about US coins. So we'll be talking about the penny, nickel, dime, and quarter. So let's go ahead and start with the penny. So the penny is going to be our smallest coin. That is going to have a value of 1 cent, okay? And it's also written like this, 0.01. And it's also written with 1 and the cent symbol. The next one is the nickel. The nickel is a little bit bigger than the penny. The difference is that the penny is a different color, right? It's kind of brown or a copper color. The nickel is more silver colored or a bright gray. It's worth 5 cents. Okay, it's also written as 0.05 or 5 with the cent symbol. All right, the dime. Now, something to just pay attention to is that the dime is actually the smallest of all the coins, but it is worth more than the 1 cent and the 5 cent. It is worth 10 cents, okay? And it's written as 0.10 or 10 with the cent symbol. The next coin that we're going to go over is the quarter. The quarter is the biggest, one of the biggest ones. There's a bigger one, and I'll go over that one in a second. The quarter is also silver colored, as is the dime and the nickel. It's not made of actual silver, though. It's just made of a bunch of metals that make it look shiny, gray and shiny. The value of that is 25 cents, so it's the most out of all of these coins. It is written as 0.25, and it's also written as 25 cents. Alrighty, so let's take a closer look at the coins. So, something that you need to know about the coins is who is on them. Here on the penny, which is worth how many? Yes, it's worth 1 cent. We have Abraham Lincoln. He is on the face, and we kind of see his side view. On the nickel, we have Thomas Jefferson. It used to be a side of his face like this, but it recently, I think within the last 5 or 10 years, I don't remember exactly, they changed it so that you could see the front of his face. So he is worth 5 cents. Very good. Now, I like this chart because it has the actual size of the coins. For example, you see that the dime is smaller than the penny and the nickel, but it is worth more. It is worth 10 cents. And here we have Franklin D. Roosevelt, who was a president. Sorry, I think I didn't go over them. These have all been presidents. Abraham Lincoln, Thomas Jefferson, Franklin D. Roosevelt. We also have George Washington, who was also a president. He is on the quarter, and the quarter is worth 25 cents. Very good. Then we're not going to go over these too much, just because you will go over these in 2nd and 3rd grade, but I think you should still know what they are. So this is probably the biggest coin that you'll ever see, at least in US currency or American currency. This is the $50. So this is worth 50 cents or 2 of these quarters. Here we have John F. Kennedy, who was also a president. Then we have the dollar. The dollar is kind of a gold color or yellow color. It's very shiny. And we have Sacagawea on here. And she helped 2 explorers called Lewis and Clark. She helped them along the journey, just to kind of as an interpreter and just kind of help them with camping and things like that, with very, very, very important things. So that's why she is on the coin. No, she was not a president. So these 2 coins you won't see as often. You have to go to the bank and ask for them. You won't really see them like at the grocery store or anything like that. You have to ask for them. So if you go to your local bank, they'll be able to give you these 2 coins if you need to. All right, so let's go ahead and review. How much is the penny worth? How much is the nickel worth? How much is the dime worth? How much is the quarter worth? How much is the $50 worth? And how much is the dollar coin worth? Oh, I just realized I didn't tell you how much the dollar coin was worth. Well, you're exactly right. They are in order from biggest to smallest worth. So this is 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, 25, 50 cents, and $1 whole. So you know how we have like the paper money? This is worth the same thing. So either this coin or the paper money, the $1 paper money, they're the exact same thing. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at a game on ABC. Again, I will post this on the video and on Google Classroom. So this one, I have to turn off the sound. So you get kind of distracted. It's very loud, so just be careful when you play this game. So this is, we're going to sort things out. It tells you a little bit about it. This is called a quarter because it is 1/4 of a dollar. George Washington is the featured president. This is a dime and it is worth 10 cents, or 1/10 of a dollar. Franklin D. Roosevelt is the featured president. This is a nickel and it is worth 5 cents, or 1/20 of a dollar. Thomas Jefferson is the featured president. This is a penny and it is worth 1 cent, or 1/100th of a dollar. Abraham Lincoln is the featured president. Okay, and then you can just go over it again if you would like. Kind of quiz yourself. All right, so let's go ahead and play. I like that it's a piggy bank. All right, so we're going to break it open and to see how much we have. So a lot of the old times, the piggy banks, you had to break them so that you wouldn't take money out because it was a savings. So savings, you save money. All right, so here it's a pretty easy game. So what is this worth? Yep, this worth 25 cents. How about this one? That is a dime. That is worth 10 cents. This is a penny, and this is worth 1 cent. All right, and this is a nickel. This is worth 5 cents. Very good. Let's see what happens if I put in the wrong one. Oh, it rejects it. Or it doesn't take it in. All right, so this is a pretty easy game. And it's okay to just review these 4 coins because we won't really talk about the other coins as well. The other one is just for you to know later on. Oh, then you have to break it. Okay. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and link this game. Again, it's on ABC, for those wondering. And that is our lesson for today. I hope you learned a lot, and we will be reviewing coins again tomorrow.